Ayushi Pateriya from Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research, and today I will be presenting an exciting and futuristic topic that is crime investigation using big data and analytics. We live in a world where technology is evolving every second, and so are crimes. From cyber fraud to terrorism, criminals are becoming smarter, faster, and harder to catch. So, how can law enforcement stay one step ahead? The answer lies in big data, the huge digital footprints left behind by every action, message, and moment. By analyzing this data, investigators can predict, detect, and solve crimes more efficiently than ever before. Let's explore how big data is revolutionizing modern crime investigation. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is big data? Big data refers to large, complex, and rapidly growing datasets that traditional methods can't handle. It's not just about storing information, it's about extracting meaningful insights from it. We define big data using the 5 V's: volume, enormous amounts of data generated every second; velocity, the high speed at which new data is produced and processed; variety, data comes from multiple sources: text, images, sensors, or social media. For example, millions of CCTV cameras, social media posts, GPS signals, and transaction records produce terabytes of data daily. This information, when analyzed properly, can be used to detect trends, patterns, and hidden relationships. In short, big data turns chaos into clarity, and in crime investigations, clarity saves lives. Every crime today leaves behind a trail of digital evidence: phone calls, CCTV footage, offline activities, and location data. Big data allows investigators to connect all these dots in real time. For instance, if a suspect's phone location matches CCTV footage near a crime scene, that connection strengthens the case. Similarly, social media analysis can reveal potential motives or a compliance. Big data also enables predictive crime analysis, meaning the police can anticipate where and when a crime might occur. Instead of waiting for an accident, law enforcement can act before it happens. This shift from reactive to proactive investigation marks the biggest revolution in modern policing. Now, where does all this big data actually come from? There are multiple sources like CCTV and surveillance cameras monitoring public spaces, GPS and mobile data tracking movement and location, social media platforms where suspects often leave digital clues, bank transactions and online activity revealing suspicious spending or connection, call logs, emails, and IoT devices which record digital communication and behavior. When investigators merge all these sources, they can form a comprehensive digital map of a suspect's activity. It is like assembling a digital jigsaw puzzle. Every small piece of data adds to the complete. Earlier, police relied heavily on witness statements, manual record searches, and field. While those methods were decades ago, today's world generates billions of data points every day. No human being can possibly go through it all manually. Criminals now use advanced technologies, encrypted messaging, fake digital identities, and the dark web. Traditional methods simply can't keep up with such complexity. Big data, on the other hand, can quickly analyze massive amounts of information, detecting links that human might miss. This makes investigation faster, more precise, and often life-saving. The data journey in crime investigation typically follows four key steps. First, data collection, gathering raw data from cameras, sensor networks, and databases. Second, data cleaning, removing duplicates, errors, and irrelevant information to ensure accuracy. Third, data analysis, using algorithms and AI to identify patterns or connections. Fourth, visualization and reporting, presenting insights as maps, heat zones, or dashboards for a quick action. This process ensures that what law enforcement sees isn't just numbers, it's clear, reliable intelligence that can save lives and solve cases faster. Collecting data is only the first step. The real magic happens through analytics. Data analytics help law enforcement make sense of massive unstructured data. It can highlight unusual patterns, detect anomalies, and even predict potential threats. For example, analytics can flag suspicious money transfers, repeated visits to restricted areas, or abnormal behavior in CCTV feeds. Machine learning models then learn from this data, improving over time and predicting future risks. So, while traditional policing depends on instinct, modern policing depends on data driven insights, making every decision smarter and faster. Here is the tech stack which can be used in big data analytics. First is Hadoop, large data storage. Second, Apache Spark for real time data analysis. Third, Hive or Pig for query and processing tool. Fourth, Python and R, that is data analytics and visualization languages. Let's now explore some real-world examples where big data has transformed crime investigation. First, Los Angeles Police Department predictive policing. The LAPD predictive policing uses algorithms historical crime data. The system identify area most likely to experience certain crimes, allowing officers to patrol those zones proactively. Within a year, they saw a remarkable drop in property crimes and thefts. Instead of chasing criminals, LAPD began predicting their moves, turning prevention into their main strategy. This success inspired police departments across the United States and the world to adopt similar models. Second, FBI, Next Generation Identification. The FBI NGI system is a landmark in biometric based big data analytics. It holds data like fingerprints, iris scan, and facial recognition profiles for millions of individuals. When new evidence is uploaded, say an image from CCTV, the system matches it against its massive database within seconds. This capability helps solve cases that would otherwise take months. It's now one of the most advanced and secure identification systems globally, powered entirely by big data. Third is Indian smart surveillance projects. India has also embraced big data analytics through its smart city and surveillance project. AI powered CCTV systems monitor city streets, analyzing behavior, detecting crowd surges, or spotting abandoned objects. For example, if a camera detects suspicious movement or an unattended bike, the system automatically alerts authorities. These technologies have already helped prevent crimes and manage large public events safely. This integration of AI and big data shows how India is stepping into the future of intelligent policing. Now let's look into the benefits of using big data in crime investigation. Big data offers a wide range of benefits for crime investigation. Faster and smarter investigations saving valuable time. Predictive analysis helping prevent crimes before they happen. Improved resource management by directing officers to high risk areas. Stronger evidence through digital validation and data backed proof. Enhanced transparency since every decision can be supported by data. In short, big data makes policing more scientific, strategic, and effective. The future of crime investigation is incredibly bright and data driven. With the integration of AI, IoT, and big data, police will have real time situational awareness. Drones might analyze crowd movement, AI might flag cyber threats before they happen, and blockchain could secure evidence storage. The combination of automation and analytics will make future policing faster, fairer, and more reliable. We are moving towards an era where technology and human intelligence will work side by side for justice. The impact of big data goes beyond solving crimes. It builds trust and safety. Communities become more secure, crime rates drop, and responsive times improve dramatically. Moreover, data backed policing promotes transparency, reducing corruption and bias. However, society must also remain vigilant. Data should empower justice, not control people. Balancing innovation with privacy will be the ultimate test for the digital justice system. In the end, big data is not just a technology, it's a revolution in crime investigation. It helps identify patterns, predict crimes, and deliver justice more efficiently. Real world examples from LAPD, FBI, and Indian smart cities show that this isn't the future, it's happening now. With proper ethics and infrastructure, big data can make our world safer and smarter. Big data isn't about numbers, it's about connecting the dots criminals thought were invisible. It transforms clues into evidence, evidence into insight, and insight into prevention. Analytics have become the new superpower of modern detectives. The future of investigation isn't only smart, it's data smart. And the best part, every byte of data brings up one step closer to safer tomorrow. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed learning how big data and analytics are reshaping the world of crime investigation. Remember, in today's digital world, data doesn't lie, it speaks, it connects, and most importantly, it solves mysteries. Stay safe, stay curious, and believe in the power of data.